Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to join WEBKEY DAO and start staking. So all you need to do is follow this list of steps. So first, go to get the official links, visit WEBKEY DAO's official website or community to find the correct staking page and token details. Always avoid unofficial links. Set up a crypto wallet, install a wallet like MetaMask and securely save your recovery fees, and then add the correct network. Make sure your wallet is connected to the blockchain WEBKEY DAO uses, Ethereum, BSC. Fund your wallet and then add some crypto to your wallet to cover transactions, gas fees. Buy WEBKEY tokens. Purchase the official WEBKEY token using the correct contract address. Connect to the staking platform. Open the WEBKEY staking site and connect your wallet, and then approve and stake. Approve the token first, then enter the amount and click stake to confirm. Monitor and manage rewards. Track your earnings. Claim rewards when available and unstake when you are ready. So here's a tip for you. Always start with a small amount first and double check all links for safety. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.